Polaris 3.2.5 introduces a new user interface for the wizard window, which is more clean and easy to navigate. There are a few changes on how to create new terrains and managing the default settings. To create new terrains, click on the Create button. On this page, you can set the dimensions of your terrain grid. Most of the time, click on Create and it's done. In case you want to change the terrain material before creating them, use this Context button and select Terrain Material. It will bring up the material selector for you. Other settings such as name prefix, group ID, and data location can be found inside this Context button too. Back to the main page, you can also access the default terrain material and utility settings there, along with some shortcuts to add terrain tools to your scene. And that's it. Take your time to explore. Bye.